If you want to know some women's fragrances that work absolutely amazing on us men, this video right here is for you. I've set up 5 different fragrances and I ranked them from least expensive to most expensive, but it doesn't push past $100. So stay tuned. What's good, y'all, and welcome back. You already know my name is Jovan. If you don't, dip out. Now I'm just playing, but y'all might as well just start calling me Jordan since it's my real name. I used to always love doing like how-to videos growing up, and this is like perfect for me because I do want to genuinely help teens are coming into that point in their life where they're smelling bad. They're not always told what to do specifically when it comes to taking care of your odor and making sure that it doesn't come back. Growing up, I've always liked how-to videos. If I can find one, honestly, I'll put it up on the screen right now.
Now today, I'll be showing you guys how to get colored bars up there. Right now, I'm gonna tell you guys how to fix the Xbox 360 update problem.
Fastest way to get post-spin technician.
This video ain't gonna be too long. I'm just gonna show y'all these 5 different ones. Now, I did say I ranked them from like least expensive to most expensive, and all the fragrances that I'm showing you today, I love, okay? Basically, I don't dislike any of these fragrances. So, getting into the first one, I have this Jovan White Musk that I absolutely adore and love myself because, first of all, before I even get into it, let me tell you this. I'm not like a professional when it comes to fragrances, but I'm gonna give an honest rating on how I feel personally about all of these. I may get something wrong, but I will. It's how I feel about it. Now, back to this Jovan White Musk. It is more like a lighter scent to me, but what I really love about this is that it layers very, very nicely. So, men, if you use something else, if you use a cologne, if you use another perfume, whatever, you can layer this White Musk on top of it to kind of strengthen the smell, not even kind of, to strengthen the smell and to mix the fragrances together and possibly create something that nobody has smelled before, you know? So if you walking past somebody and you layer this with, for example, Alien or something, then it might smell absolutely amazing, and there's no other fragrances that replicate it because those two together create something different. You know what I'm saying? I probably didn't need to say that, but I will. Like I said, this White Musk, I absolutely love layering it with something else on this list I'm actually gonna talk about. And you can get this on Fragrance Net, and I think it's up there for like $30 or something. But bro, before you go online and like order stuff, you need to go into like the cheaper stores. Like go into the TJ Maxx's, go into Walmart has fragrances, go into Marshalls, places like that, because you can really find these things, the same exact perfumes, just for cheaper. So this right here, don't go online instantly. If you can't find it in Walmart, which is where it's at, it's in Walmart, go in there, you can get it for like $15, bro. If you can't find it in Walmart, then I guess if you don't want to wait, you can go on Fragrance Net and you can order it. But I'm telling you right now, it's the same exact thing. Just go into Walmart, go get you this $15 or maybe like $17. And the prices that I do say is going to be all based on the sizes that I have. This is a 3.25. So that's number 1. Number 2, which y'all probably have heard of, is by Dossier. It is their powdery coconut. Now, for this one, I'll put the top notes, middle notes, and base notes up on the screen because I'm not gonna read them right now. But if you know what they mean, then dope. Because I mean, me myself, I still don't even know what all of these different things are. So, but the powdery coconut is really nice, and to me, it's not too light and it's not too heavy, but it does last. Also with that Jovan, it lasts pretty long, but I say you probably should reapply it after maybe a couple hours or so. I might be tripping, but that's what I do. You can get this powdery coconut up on the Dossier website for $40. Honestly, my experience with this has been, it's been great. It's not overpowering, but it smells really good. If you walk past somebody, they're gonna smell it on you. You don't have to get too close. You can be a good distance away and they'll smell it. It does smell really nice. I would suggest you at least give it a try, and this is a replica of Tom Ford if you want to smell it beforehand. So you can go smell it on the testing strip, and then if you really like it, go and get this. It's cheaper, $40, and it smells the exact same. So the first 2 down, I would rate this like an 8.5 out of 10 just because it's my go-to layering. And a 10 for me is like hands down, I got literally nothing bad to say about it. Now this is an 8.5, and I say this is an 8. Now number 3 is like one of my slept on ones. I didn't even start using it till like a month and a half after I actually got it, and it is this Tommy Girl. Man, when I tell y'all, I was missing out. I was missing out, bro. This is the Tommy Girl in the 3.4 fluid ounce. And if I'm not mistaken, it's up on Fragrance Net as well for like $55. But like I said, before you go and drop that 55 bones on it, you need to go into TJ Maxx or Marshalls, and this is most likely going to be in there. In there, it should be like $20. $20. So you saving money. Y'all, don't do it just for the name, just to say you got it from somewhere. Go and get it cheaper, bro. Save some money. You could save that, what is it, that extra $20, $25, and you can go get you white musk from Walmart. But anyways, this Tommy Girl, man, it's like a really fresh, beachy type vibe smell to it, and I really do enjoy it. I really like it. I've gotten compliments on it whenever I've gone out, and this, there's not too many bad things. There's not a bad thing I can even say about it. It's strong, it lasts long, and I would really say you don't need to layer this. But once again, if you want to have like a different type of smell, you can. But go ahead, smell this. Then again, they don't let you smell stuff in those stores. You have to buy it to smell it. TJ Maxx or Marshalls, like 20 something. Save money over Fragrance Net. If you can't find it, go in there, go get it. This altogether, I would rate this a strong 9 out of 10. Man, I'm telling you, bro, you will not want to go back from getting this. You won't regret it. I'm like all the way back here with it. Dang, let me get all up in y'all face with it. Number 4. Now, this is my favorite at the moment. I can't tell y'all about my other favorite because y'all gonna go stupid on it after you smell it. I wouldn't be able to get any more. Now, this is a 10 out of 10, hands down. Lasts long. It's powerful, not overpowering, like type strong. But you need to go get this. I talked about it in my previous video. If you haven't seen it, go see it. This Jimmy Choo perfume. First of all, let me say this. My fiance, she's absolutely in love with this smell. Every time I put it on, she can smell it from across the way. She's like, that smell good. And I'm like, good, because I want to smell good for you. This Jimmy Choo is up on Fragrance Net for like $80. But once again, go into TJ Maxx or Marshalls. You can find this. It'll be way cheaper. I'm not gonna give y'all a false price on it just because I simply do not know what it'll be. But you can go into there and get it cheaper. If it's not on there, once again, I'm sorry. It is like $80 on Fragrance Net. But I've gotten literally so many compliments with this. When I've gone into work, when I've gone out to the store, when I've gone multiple places, I've gotten compliments on this. And like I said earlier, I do like to layer it, and this is what I layer it with. I layer my Jimmy Choo and I layer my white musk. Both of these together creates a combination, creates an explosion of, wow, I ain't never smelled that before. I'm not just telling y'all some false stuff when I say it. This smells freaking beautiful, dude. Long lasting, strong, bound to get a compliment, layerable. I'm telling you, go out, try this. You won't regret it. If you don't like it, hit me up. I'll send you your money back. It's like, well, I ain't got it like that. What is he talking about? That is absolutely amazing. Go get that. I'm telling you right now. Number freaking 5, which is the most expensive one on the list, is gonna be this Dylan Blue by Versace. My fiance is the one that put me hip to this one, and this one smells divine. I'm not gonna lie. FragranceNet.com for $100 plus tax. It might be a little bit over, maybe like 102, 105 even. But if you can find this one out, matter of fact, let me look it up and tell y'all where it's at for real, because I honestly don't even know for real. Dylan. So the one time I decided to do this, y'all want to come in ying ying right outside the window. I'll be right back. Hold on. That's it. You can also get this as Macy's as well if you just want to go in and get it somewhere. Now this is like $106 at Macy's, but it's on sale right now. Originally, it's $130. So, I mean, if you want it on sale at Macy's, go ahead and get you this if you got $100 to spend on it. But let me read to y'all what the details of this says, and you tell me if it sounds like it smells good or not, okay? Dylan Blue is a tribute to, first of all, it says femininity, but you can use it as a man. Once again, don't feel weird wearing female stuff, okay? It is a strong, sensuous, refined fragrance created for a woman who knows the power of, maybe I shouldn't be reading this if I say it's for men. An alchemy of irresistible notes that dance, arouse, come together and embrace. A refreshing blackcurrant sorbet and Granny Smith apple combined with contemporary floral, bouquet and woody base notes, playfully mixed together to create a unique and captivating, sensuous, vibrant movement. That sounds like it smells amazing. Now, I'm not too sure what freaking Granny Smith is, but I am sure that this junk smells good. Oos. My girl taught me that one. Oh man. This one's almost gone. You're gonna literally go through this. If you love this one, which I know for a fact you would, you should probably savor it. Don't spray too much. Well, first of all, with this, you don't have to spray too much for it to really be strong and really stick to you. It's long lasting, of course, it's strong. Of course, you're bound to get a compliment with it. Of course, all of that, and it's a beautiful bottle. With this other one right here, the Jimmy Choo, you don't need to spray a lot as well. I spray about a good 1, 2, 3, 4. So I spray 4 of this one. Whenever I layer it with Jovan White Musk, I probably spray 5 times around. This one, since it's so strong and so good, you literally only need like 3. If that, you could do 2 and smell amazing. It's gonna last you all day too. Yeah. And a quick thing with like perfumes or colognes and stuff, by the way, these aren't to mask bad odor, okay? So if you're not like cleansing yourself and doing a good job with it, this is not to cover it. You're still gonna be able to smell bad odor from anywhere through the perfumes or through the colognes. Just saying. And if you do struggle with that, then you can go watch my other video I made. I'll probably make another one that's more in-depth for us teens and men. I thought I took care of you. Now, I do want to apologize for my mini hiatus that was like 2 weeks long, but I'm back now, and hopefully I helped at least some teens. You could ask your parents or something to get you this for your birthday, for a special occasion. You can ask them to get you one of these. Like I said, once again, this is my favorite. Out of all these that I would recommend for like the pricing and everything else, I would recommend you get this Jimmy Choo. You really won't go back. I'm telling you right now, but if you have the money, for sure, go for this Versace Dylan Blue. All the other ones are great as well. And I don't think I rated this. If I did, I'm saying it again, my bad. 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 8.5 out of 10, 9 out of 10. I think I'll say 8 out of 10. Everything's gonna be linked down below, of course, like you know. And y'all, please comment down below if there's a specific subject or specific things that you may struggle with as a teen or a man. And hopefully I'll see it and I can help you to take care of it. I wanna thank you all for all the support that you have been showing. And I hope to see you guys very, very soon in the next one coming up. Thank you all. Jesus is King. Stay smelling good. Brush your teeth. Peace. I don't know what that was like that. I'm never gonna do that again. But peace.